If you can do this, then nobody will reject you. The opposite will not reject you. In your place of work, if you desire something, nobody will reject you. If you want something from people, they will not reject you. This video, I'm going to be discussing thyme and honey recipe. Thyme and honey recipe. This is going to help those of us who are battling rejections, those who are not being favored, who are not getting the attraction they desire, who are not getting the good things they desire. I know some people are very pretty, some beautiful ladies, they are in their 30s, 40s, but no suitor is coming to them. It is not their fault. It is because they are battling a spirit of rejection. That's what they're battling. So if you can do this thyme and honey recipe, then you are going to be the best for it. Thyme and honey recipe is nothing new. We have discussed this in the past. But for the benefits of those who are just joining us, and as an update to the one we did last, when we did it, a lot of people showed interest in this. So I'm motivated to do it again because I know there are some people who are just subscribing, who are just joining us. And those who have seen the video before, this will be a wake-up call again. It's a reminder for them to go and do it. So what are the ingredients we are going to be using? The ingredients are simple. We are going to be using thyme, the normal thyme. Cooking thyme is what we are going to be using. Cooking thyme is what we are going to be using. So the thyme, and I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be giving the image of thyme here for you to see. Image thyme, the cooking, the one you use in cooking, dry one, dry thyme is what we are going to be using now. Then the second thing we are going to be using is original honey. Original honey is what we are going to be using. Now, how do we prepare this? How do we prepare this? Now, the thyme we are going to be using is 1 tablespoon of thyme. Just get the thyme, get 1 spoon, get a bowl, metal bowl or glass bowl. Just put it in the bowl. Then get honey, original honey. Now, you are getting 3 spoons of honey. 3 spoons of honey. That's what you are getting. You are going to be putting it in the thyme. Then you use your middle finger. Middle finger. There is a power in this middle finger. You can see my middle finger. Use the middle finger to mix it very well. Mix it very well. Mix the honey and the thyme very well. Once you mix it very well, then you are going to be adding very hot boiled water. The boiled water that is boiled, very hot. You pour it on top. Pour it on top. Then use something to stir it. You can use a turning stick or something to use it to stir it. Make sure the honey and the thyme infuse very well in the hot water. Make sure it infuses very well in the hot water. After then, you leave it to rest. You want the water to get cold, not totally cold. Then when you want to use it, because that's the preparation, you have to prepare it that way. And how to use it is that you now get the mixture of honey, thyme and hot water. You get it and add it into your bathing water. Get a pail of water, a bucket full of water, then add this into it. Add this into it. So you are going to be using this. Then you stir very well. Then use it to take your bath. You can use soap, any soap that you desire. You might not use soap. You might not use sponge. Just use it to just cleanse your body. Make sure you use it to wash your body from head to down. Use it to wash from head to down. It's as simple as that. Just use it to wash from head to down. But the instruction is simple. You are using this to take your bath from yours, from the head to, even if you have your weave on, you can remove the weave on and do this. Because I told you in the beginning that this is for people who are suffering from the problem of rejection. If you can do this, then nobody will reject you. The opposite will not reject you. In your place of work, if you desire something, nobody will reject you. If you want something from people, they will not reject you. A lot of people want to even move close to you. They want to be your friend because time signifies time, essence. The honey signifies goodness. So you are saying you want, at this period of time, you want goodness in your life. You want goodness to yourself. You want people to see you and see goodness in you. You know, a lot of guys, we run away from ladies when we just see some things in them. We don't see goodness in them. Nobody wants to go to a lady that does not have goodness. So if you don't have goodness, nobody will want to come to you. But if you can use this, then people want to desire you. People want, they will be begging to be with you. They want to always be with you because they can sense, they can feel, they can sense the goodness in you. It doesn't matter how pretty you are. Some ladies might be very beautiful, but goodness is not in them. But if you can do this, then that goodness will come to you. Then people will desire to come to you. Now, when is the best time to do this? The best time to do this is in the evening before you go to bed. Do it before you go to bed. Do it before you go to bed. So that when you wake up in the morning, you now feel refreshed and new. But if you cannot do it in the evening, you have to do it very early in the morning. Very early in the morning before talking to anyone. So you can do it last thing at night or first thing in the morning when you wake up in the morning before talking to anybody. Well, you can do this. And this is very simple. You have to do it like 3 times straight. 3 times straight without breaking it. 3 times straight without breaking it. So if you are starting, let's say Tuesday night, you have to do it Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. So it's a 3-day recipe. You do it 3 days straight on. You don't, and this one does not need any incantation. The only thing you need is when you are taking your bath, just be praying for goodness. Praying for goodness. Even if you don't pray for goodness, goodness is already coming to you. So just pray for goodness and goodness will follow you. You are going to be doing it 3 nights straight. Don't break it. A lot of people say, I did day 1, I could not do day 2. It's better you do it 3 days straight. If you do it 3 days straight, then you can leave it. The next month you do it. The other month you do it until you notice that people have started coming to you. This one is very, very good for those who are having problem attracting suitors, attracting opposites. Though you can use it in any area of your life, but if you are finding it difficult attracting the opposite sex, then this is very, very good for you. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscription is free. You are not paying anybody. You see the subscribe button, just hit it. A bell will come out beside it. Click on the bell so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. And consider sharing this video. Share it to others. Let them see it. Because you are not the only one who likes good things, or you are not the only one in your shoe. Just give it to others. Share it to others. You don't know who you are. You might be helping a soul. You are helping a brother or a sister. Just share it. Let them see this. I'm giving it to you free. You can also give it to free. By sharing it, you are helping others. You are also helping this channel to grow. You are helping the channel to grow. Then leave your comment. If you have any comment, go to the comment box. Even if it's just to tell me thank you, just go to the comment box and say thank you, or I've used it before, it is working. No, this comment will also help a lot. Comment, share, and give your like it, and don't forget subscribe. Until I come your way again, if you enjoyed this video, then you definitely enjoy this. Don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.